Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security retirement online. Applying for your benefits through the Social Security Administration website is often the quickest and easiest way. You can start your application up to 4 months before you wish to begin receiving payments. This allows ample time to gather all necessary information and complete the process smoothly from home. Before you begin the online application, it's crucial to gather all required documents. This includes your Social Security card and original birth certificate. You'll also need your W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns from the last year to verify earnings. Finally, have your bank's routing and account numbers handy for setting up direct deposit, as benefits are paid electronically.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this information useful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly suggest The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can simplify your financial journey. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
To start, navigate to ssa.gov/retirement and select Learn How to Apply. You will then be prompted to create or sign into your My Social Security account. This free account allows you to manage your benefits and track your application. The online system will then guide you through a series of questions about your personal details, work history, and family information. Once you've completed all sections, take a moment to carefully review your entire application for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, you will electronically sign and submit it. You'll receive a confirmation number and a summary for your records. The Social Security Administration will then process your application and may reach out if any further information or original documents are required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.